In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your HP DeskJet 2900 series printer with only one cartridge. In case one of the ink is finished, for example, if the tricolor is not working, the ink is finished and you are getting message on the screen, then you can just use the black ink cartridge. And if the black ink is finished, you can just use the tricolor ink cartridge. For example, right now we can check the status here. So right now we can see tricolor ink cartridge is almost finished, and we have to open the ink chamber and just remove the ink cartridge that is finished or about to finish. So right now I'll remove the color ink cartridge. You will see the flashing icon on the tricolor ink cartridge. That means the tricolor ink cartridge is missing or it is not recognized. But right now we can just use it on the single cartridge mode. So this will help to save money on the ink cartridges, and we can continue using our printer. It's working, so just open the lid, place the page here and click on the copy. Because I have removed that coloring cartridge, so it's not going to print on the color, it will only print black. For example, we can clearly see it has printed here, and there was a color on the top that was here, so it's almost missing there. Thanks for watching.